The island of Procida is part of the Phlegraean Islands, which also includes its bigger neighbor Ischia, the nature reserve island of Vivara, to which Procida is connected by a bridge, and the island of Nisida, which is near to Naples. Despite its near proximity, Capri is not officially part of the island chain. Procida and its neighboring islands are located in the Gulf of Naples and may be reached by ferry or hydrofoil from either Naples city center or the port of Pozzuoli, which lies to the west of Naples and slightly closer to Procida. Procida is just around 4 square kilometers in size, and it has a population of little over 10,000 people, making it quite densely populated. Walking from one end of the island to the other takes around an hour, whereas using a bus, vehicle or scooter takes around 15 minutes. Procida's primary attractions are the lovely marinas of Marina Coricella and Marina Grande, as well as the intriguing old town of Terra Murata. Tourists are attracted to the island by its beautiful beaches and laid-back atmosphere. Every Good Friday, the island's most important event takes place. The Processione dei Misteri is a remarkable Easter procession that attracts tourists from all across the area and from all over the world. Locals dressed in costumes carry sculptures of the Virgin Mary and Jesus Christ, signaling the start of the island's Easter celebrations. The most of the attractions of Procida may be seen on foot, beginning with the island's main harbor, Marina Grande. The harbor boasts several gorgeous buildings, a lovely church and plenty of places to eat and drink. It's only a short walk from Marina Grande to the opposite side of the island, where you can view the major attraction, Marina Coricella. The iconic marina adorns the covers of guidebooks and is one of Italy's most beautiful sights. The little fishing villages' multicolored houses contrast well with the sea behind them. Many visitors flock to Procida because it was the principal location for filming the movie Il Postino, in which Marina Coricella appeared regularly in some of the most crucial moments. To achieve the greatest view of the marina, take a walk up to Terra Murata's walled citadel. It is from here that the whole splendor of the site may be captured. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.